Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to The Money Way, and today I'm coming at you with the top 5 gold stocks, Robinhood, Stash, whatever your brokerage is, E-Trade, all that. You can find these stocks anywhere on NASDAQ, and I'm going to start off the list with TRQ, Turquoise Hill Resources. This is a stock that I've had for about, I'd say, a month, and it has already done 25%. Now, this is not my best performer. It's definitely not my best, but it's definitely not the least. And what you want to do with these gold stocks, you're not sure which one's going to explode, but it's most likely going to affect all of them. The amount of inflation we're getting, all that, it's going to affect all of them, not equally, but you're still going to see a crazy gains on some of these. Next on the list, TRX, my least favorite. But then again, you want to diversify yourself. It's really cheap. So right now, I'm not a financial advisor or anything. This is just my opinion. But these can soar to crazy levels. It already has, and this is without the effect of inflation. Remember, gold is mainly a huge performer in times of depression and in times of inflation. And that is exactly what we're in right now. Like, I'm sure I'm not the only one that thinks that. That is exactly what we're facing right now. Next on my list, and this is my best performer, 81%. I'm so sad I haven't put more into this. Like, oh my god, this is crazy. Look at the last 3 months. I wish I got in around here if I knew what I knew. But 35 cents. Imagine you got in at 35 cents. Right now, 144. Someone do the math for me. That's like a 4x. Imagine you put in $10,000. You mix it around. You get 25% from this. You get maybe 200% from the next one. 80% from this one. You really spread out your portfolio and you get a diversified gold, just like you would with the rest of your stocks. Because diversification, if you're not the best investor, you always want a diversification in order to protect yourselves from any sort of crazy losses. Like if a company goes bankrupt, obviously you don't want all your eggs in one nest. And that's just the way I think about it. Some other investors hate diversification, like, Mark Cuban. They've all come out and said diversification is, bad or whatever. I don't really see it that way. They probably won't be saying that if like one of their companies went bankrupt. They probably be wishing they went to diversification. But anyways, next on the list, Sandstorm Gold. This is one of the more renowned stocks. This is more well known. It's been a pretty good performer in the last 5 years. It started out around $3. Now it's at $8.40. You would have tripled your money. And this is just a good overall stock. These other ones, I'll show you in a bit, explode during the depressions and economic setbacks, but this has just been an all-around performer. This is a no-brainer in my opinion. Remember, not financial advisor, but this is just a no-brainer. Next on the list, this is for all those safe people that really want diversification. This is basically the S&P 500 for gold. It's all the gold stocks. It's not all of them, but it's basically, as you can see here, tracking the gold spot price, less expenses and liabilities, using gold bars held in London vaults. So it's basically tracking the price of gold. And as you can see, last 5 years, it's been growing over time. Now, as we can see from Corona, it's had a sharp increase, sharper than any other increase. As you can see in the past, from February to here, it's been growing heavy. And now, when I show you guys these next graphs of what these stocks look like after depressions, you're gonna be surprised. All right, look, NAK, best performer right now. You guys, if you guys were around back then, you knew the crash of 2008, leading into 2009. It was horrible. All right. NAK, Northern Dynasty Minerals, they are gold stock. They are mineral stock. They all that. And right around October 2008 was the lowest point. $1.50, $1.60-ish. Now, over the span of the next 3 years, because of inflation, because of all this economic setback, it rose to a max height of 21, almost $22. That is like a 18x. You are 18 timesing your money. This is a no-brainer, guys, in my opinion. This, of course, all you guys obviously want to look into it more, but right now, this is definitely something you really want to look into and get in when it's hot, because right now it is exploding. Please, guys, do your due diligence, and if I've deserved it, give me a like, subscribe, and tell me down below which you think of these 5 is the best and which one you are going to invest in. Thank you, guys, and make sure to like and subscribe, and see me in the next video. Peace.